Susan. Today I'm participating in day 5 of the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths, Carrie the Crafter. And today I've got my card, my gel print. I really like that. And I'm just going to play and have some fun. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, spelled J-E-L-Y. That's why I keep saying jelly. Okay, I'm going to put her like that, and I'm going to tuck him in behind her. Okay, and I'm going to add a little something for her feet. I may need to bring her down just a tad. Let's see, I like this London. And maybe that right there. So it looks like he's standing on something. Alright. And I do love my fodder. Let's see, I had some more. What did I do with it? I want to tuck that. Maybe kind of. Maybe behind it. Let's see, what did I do with it? I had some more. I think this happens almost every time. The gremlins come and get it. Never fear, I have more. It sure is frustrating. Alright, so let's see. I'll just kind of tuck it behind. Alright, first of all, let me get down these pieces. I've already inked, thankfully. Now, find my art glitter glue. I have really enjoyed this challenge. I'd enjoy it even more if my glue worked. Okay, I want to get that there. Go ahead and get this one down. Just going to kind of tuck it at that corner and get my London down. Okay, I want to go ahead and get my fodder down, since it's going to be in the background. I never knew I would be using this so much in so many different things when Debbie of My Vagabond Style showed making this fodder, and I really need to make more. I've been just really using a lot of it. You never know what you're going to get when you make it, and it just adds so much. And these are just from magazines, and it just adds so much to it. And it uses up all those scraps from your magazines. Let's see. Okay. All right. Now I can get her down, get her wings. And get him down. He'll probably need to go down next. So I'm just gonna tack him down there. Have him standing on that box. Go ahead and get her wings down. Get them on her so I can place it all together. Okay. I'll just glue everything down. Let me see. I want her just a little bit higher. There we go. And I've got my number 5, and I'm just gonna put it down there. Alright, I really love how that one looks. I do think, if I can find it, hold on, I'll be right back. Hey, I found it. My shimmer stick. I tell you what, it'd be dangerous if I could find my stuff. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it just adds that glimmer to her wings. And I love it. Hope you can see it. Okay, I want to round my corners. And I'm going to go around it with Vintage Photo. I love this. You know, and it really doesn't take a lot of items, and it just brings so much to it. And there's so much you could do. You could use the distress embossing glaze to do her dress and things like that. So much you could do. Really love that. I think I'm just going to go ahead and go around the back. I say I'm going to back them, but I really don't need to. We'll see if I can find, see if I have a postcard to go at the top. Okay. I don't even think it needs splatters, believe it or not. Well, here is day 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.